To some, it's just a bike. But to him, it was a move towards independence. Some saw a cap. To him, it was a win. Some saw timber. But to him, it was the ground for family dinners and birthday parties. And no matter how heavily the world pushed, there was always a safe way home. As one generation passes on, the next one is already watching. Over the decades, we've done more than lift, handle, and move. Because the things we move are never just material. If it matters to you, it matters to us. Konecranes moves what matters.